Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-VKX95 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with connectivity or there's problems with the sound of this stereo or it's not working and you're trying to troubleshoot it, a hard reset can fix a lot of these things. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start and have this stereo be like it was when it first came out of the box with all of the configurations and settings wiped out into their factory defaults, we can go ahead and do this. You're going to need the stereo obviously, but you're also going to need the remote control in order to do this. So what you're going to do is with it turned on, you're going to find the DVD button and press the DVD button and then press the stop button. And then once you do that, then you're going to go to your controller and there is the greater than 10-second button, and you're going to simultaneously press the stop button on the stereo and the greater than 10 seconds on the controller at the same time for about a second. And you should see on the screen, it should pop up with an INIT standing for initialization. The stereo is being reinitialized to its factory defaults. And you can just let it complete that process and it will be restored to its factory defaults.